Editor Carolinas today, bringing you today the Advantage Tactical Sights. We have it fitted to an Armalite rifle today, and just want to let people know that this is a sight. If you do not like standard or traditional iron sights that are front and rear on a rifle, this is the way to go. Very easy to learn. I put the publisher on these at the range, and the video footage that follows this is actually of her ringing some steel, which was provided by Ultimate Targets. The sight picture that you get with this is really good. It's a real quick learn, or as far as the learning curve goes. Margie has not fired a rifle with traditional sights on it before. I personally have many times, and these sights rock. The very easy to learn. You can't miss them. I mean, there's once you see how they work, you can really get real fast target acquisition on it. And you know, we were working at about 25 yards, and on a 8-inch gong, and it was just great. We really had some fun out there with these sights, and I would definitely recommend checking these sights out as an option to your standard front and rear sights. They will mount to anything that has a rail on it. They also have them for various different handguns, so check them out at AdvantageTactical.com. Website's listed below here, AdvantageTactical.com, and check them out. It's well worth the time. It's well worth the time spent learning them. It may even improve your shooting.